want to do you know. NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Them charge I never put by me. On no come back and talk about not even a Beno. Because I'm not afraid of not even, I'm not afraid of none of them. I'm not afraid of none of them. I'm not afraid of none of Uno. So tomorrow you can get up and go post what you want to post. And even if tomorrow I get up and take off my head and put it on our next body and say me, anything you want to do. But you see when you pass in a place you can talk about wife. Wife this, wife that, and the wife. And you style my wife, and you style me picking them. I want to do some on a dopey bat. I won't know. I say, I want the moderator them pan there something here. Make a block you. You need a block off of this. I'm tired of this now, you know. I'm tired of this now. I'm going to want to go and buckle water in the room, this, please. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this. How would you feel? How would you feel if you know that somebody feel a tarnish or even your name? Your name a drag. Why not get out of it? Every day when I get up, the Lord I go on a damn message. And you can't tell me what the Lord I say. I'm going to thumb down some of you. I'm serious. I'm going to try to walk far from me, you know. I'm going to try to walk far from me. I say, anyhow, and you can't record me. Anyhow, me, I go through town. Yes, when you not trouble my family. Yes, when you not trouble my family, my household. You not trouble me now, you not pass on a place. What for do now? I want to take someone out there. I want to think. I want to think I'm frightened now. I want to feel like I'm frightened for nothing. I'm not frightened for nothing. This not house, church, car, bus, them they not profit with nothing. All me ever do, I get up and I try to do the work of God. That's all me get up and do. Every day. Every single day me get up, me try to do the work of God. And not because he said, you got tempted and try. No, this is more than tempted.
Yo, Holland. First of all, blessings. Big up to my viewers, my subscribers, anyone out there in the world. Big up on yourself. Me, NEWLINK production. Me want to deal with this a chasta, you know. Because you see them a consumption, yeah, and they ramsumption, yeah. Zane, you see what go on over Canada with the two Jamaican national them. One of them, you understand, the man, the husband, a chasta, the true. People, first of all, them a sin thing, yeah. I talk about them a pastor Jamaica. Them a sin thing I bring demons to Jamaica. Them a sitting here. Zane, look on here now. Big old TikTok live him depan. Are you see him a behave? Eh? So if this one here, say him is a leader and him have a church and followers where him a lead people, what him expect a look worldly and man out there for do if I saw it a behave? Eh? Hear the words them out tight mouth. I want to come to and people are support this, you know. People are follow this, you know. And people are give ratings to this, you know. Me I tell you the trouble what we in and the problem what we in as a society, you know. Them are same thing, you know. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Continue the only.
Look, every day, every single day me get up, me try to do the work of God. And not because he said, you got tempted and try. No, this is more than tempted and try, man. I don't get up now and tell me about, they are going to talk about wife. I talk about nastiness. I can't up my mouth about wife. Want to know about my wife? Want to know about my wife? Tell me what you know about my wife when I've come talk, you know. I remember tomorrow, man, I'm going to find one lawyer office. I'm dead serious. If I even me last, me I go use it. Me enough is enough with this, you know. Enough is enough with this. Days upon days, me have to live with foolishness. Days upon days, me have to live with this. Me accept it, me pass it. Or no post me up some molest split me. Right? Or no put me all one spot media. All of the media them, or no put me name drag all over. Me wallet and me rest it. Me not say nothing. Me not say nothing. Me sit down, me take it and me hold it like a G. That's what me know. Me's a G.
Who is a sitting there? Eh? Boy, he's a G. Them post him up on media and this people. Number one, based on the fact what me know about the Bible. See, the Bible teach you a lot, you know. You know what I mean? The Bible now teach you say, you have to take your phone, go up on social media and start trace back people who are doing your things. Eh? What the Bible teach you say, you know, for render evil for evil. But you see this is same thing here. Are demons. This is a demon. A living demon this. As me say, are them sitting here cause problem. You know, are them cause destruction power. This set a demon them we are growing and call themselves pastor. Eh? You have a big problem with people. Because the people are brand him. And I say him a this, him a swim around, him a shark and this. Which me personally, me can't brand him and say he's a shark, you know. You understand? Because me don't know him personally. But the way how him behave and the way him move people, we expect people to say, this is not the way our man fear conduct themselves and behave. So what do you expect people to say? That's what I'm saying. What do you expect? Jaja.
I mean, know if you hold my composure, you know. Because guess what, man? I'm not afraid of chat. I'm not afraid of chat. I sit down on the live and me get it. Left, right, center. Night upon night. I can't sleep in my room there, so. I can't sleep in my bed. Because every night, one live they out. Bishop Dwayne Campbell. Every night, one live they out. I go on the road. People are laugh off of me. Right? How the person that talk about screen record, I can block you. But your battery are dead. But screen record. I go on the road. You see, because I have my own vehicle and I make sure I tilt my vehicle, I don't really care what people want to say. But if you get up now, you get up, I have a contact about say, wife I use dildo. Wife a sodomite. We don't know how to order say. And the bishop them and the pastor them and all of you out there will sit down and see, you know beg no have fun. Turn on and make me cool down, please.
Cool
the bishop and the people them out there, you don't see that as nothing. You don't see that as nothing. Nobody don't see that as nothing.
Hey, Chester, let me tell you something. I'm in here, NEWLINK. You see you? You want to take one shovel, and you want to take one pick and creep out of the place where you call him church. Because you're nasty, man. Me tell you this, sir. Stop use God's name in vain. You understand? Stop the church scamming where you go with. Because you is no pastor. Right now, Chester TV too good for you. You's a crater. Jaja, but Wi-Fi. Yo, how can you make the words of people make you feel so? A demon this?
Say guess what, man? I passed them place. When the boy Harris did come up here, come on left town, come on my church. Me never invite him because me and him in no league. Me and that them in no class. Me no walk with everybody. And he came to the church. Church is overing. And I remember nobody me show respect. Me make him greet the church and he left. He make problem. Me have the video when he threatened with his skull. I go talk about him, I go kill me, pick me, I go kill me wife, and I go kill me. Nobody never see that. Nobody never see it. And nobody never run with it. Nobody never see it and nobody never run with it. Because guess what, man? Bishop fi shut him out and fi sit down. Right? Bishop fi shut him out and fi sit down and not say nothing. Enough of them revival people are out there. Me good too. Me Campbell. The dirty boy with them a class. Me. Enough of them revival church here. Enough of them. Me. Left me night rest. Up and down. And when you look at them, see them wanna fight me. Because guess what? I'm better than them. And if they did better than me, they would reward me or them a reward me.
Yo, what more know people? So, with the Almighty, it shall be a competition with who better and who can do this better and who. Yo, Jamaica, we in a trouble, we in a problem. This is one of worse than Kevin Smith, you know. You see that one, yeah? Eh? Them sitting here where they call themselves revival and this and that. And them are cause the problem a yard. You see? People don't surprise if we get an earthquake next because of them demon, yeah? And them demon because them they all over the place. And what are the biggest one this, you know? You hear it, people? You hear it? Eh? Who better who? Me or Judge God, we in a trouble. Rain fall. Eh? Boy, your name Bishop Campbell. Creep up Campbell, you're a demon. Me the attacking boss. Attack for your boy. Attack your Chester, your Crater, your attack for you. The blood of Jesus against you. Think of the pucker me in a thing, this and a rapid thing, this boy. You can't go burn a candle. You can't go get a parchment paper. You can't go get your goat them and do you want to cut all of all them. Attack for you. Me NEWLINK said that. Continue this NEWLINK. Away. We are get rid of the demons.
Some of them can't even comment on me live because they know what them chat about me.
Yeah. Cheers with that cheers. Big old girl.
Me I go defend my home. So if may I tell the board of the church tonight, you know, headquarter, write me one letter and put me to sit down right now. Let me sit out of the pulpit. Allow me to sit out of the pulpit for the rest of December. I don't wish to preach. Right now, I'm going to step out and I'm going to defend my home. I'm going to defend my family. I'm going to defend my wife. I'm going to defend my children. You have to come out per live and call people name. And I talk these derogative things. Bella, do I know you? I don't know you from nowhere. Demons, I don't know you. Where me know you from? We don't know you.
First of all, Mr. Chester Carter, let me tell you something. Zane, me are not a Christian because me is a man of God. Me believe that the Almighty. You understand? How me can't tell you this, sir? You see what you are do? A demons thing you are do. Number one, there's no way people are talk but don't tell lie upon you, your wife, and this and your family. There's no way you should take it to social media, pan TikTok. If Lord them pan TikTok, that's not your place. You understand? For you forward under this. You know how the Bible tell you. Take it to the Almighty in prayer. If you was real, but because you're fake. You understand? And that Satan you have praise and the media you have to use. You're demons. You're a devil. Fall, rain, fall. Rain pan that. Wash it out. Flood it out. Judge. Flood it out. How you man?
Leave Barbados, you come here, you and Deacon McCarthy in a one, you see you like him on the way to talk on the left. Right? You leave the young man. You take set by me. What me do to you? What did I do to you? When you came here, you come at the church, you dip on your life, and you talk, you say, me is a man of God. Oh, me become a batty man now. Oh, every day now, me not clean. And you came to the church. You are spent on Deacon McCarthy. You love him. You know, but I love him. Bella, me want to know what kind of dopey Bella be. Is either you're coolie dopey or you're baby dopey. And what you do now? Leave us alone.
So, people, see it? So them have it same is a big old swim around shark. Whale. You understand? Him post up him nice woman, him wife, and post up him nice kids and him family them. See? Which, yeah man, as what me I say, you Carter, as me say, me personally don't know you personally, and me can brand say you swim around your shark, your fish or whatever. See? But one thing me can say, you can't have 100 women and 100 bikini, it still can't tap a man from be a fish. You understand? It can't tap you. If you decide to you go do that, you do it. You see me? But as me say, me not brand any, so when you go forward and say, you have your picnic and your wife and that, so that can't make you no be a, that can't ever be a fish. You can't be a fish who does mix bamboo. Yes?
Leave we alone. Leave we alone. Enough is enough. Enough is enough.
Take it to God in prayer.
Leave we alone. I mean, I want a bishop call me. Nobody no call me. Because when enough you call me, no not call me. When enough you encourage me, no not encourage me.
Yo, and the funniest thing.
When enough you come stand and defend me, no not defend me. Me no want nobody call me phone. Enough of them in a revival. Me no do nothing. I want board church. Me have board. Board church. Me go out. Me fellowship. Me visit church. Me throw me offering. If they call me to preach, me preach. Me worship. Me no go to church. Go idle. And when me have me event them, I remember they had a WhatsApp group. And them I tell people who are who enough to come at me and the people and stop come. And me stay to myself. All the boy found down a miracle act down a Mother Millie Church. Let me tell you something, boy. Let me tell you something. Down a Mother Millie Church. Let me tell you something, hypocrite boy. Me have something I come for all you too, you know. Because guess what, man? When you see me not talk and me not say nothing, everybody just sit down everybody. Oh, Campbell too soft and Campbell too this and Campbell. And I soft, me soft.
That's too much. That's too much. That's too much, man.
And the respect and the standard when me I try to set.
This is something else, people. This is a chance to you. As me say, me never see nothing like this yet. You see me? And them are the destruction. Them are the consumption. When we have a Jamaica, I make problem the power we. Attack for them are same thing, yeah. And them are sitting here can tell we, you know. But what kind of God? You're a demon. And a whole, and him alone, you know. A whole heap of them, they are yard people. You remember what me do with the people I tell you about? The one there with the church, right? And when the hurricane blow, it flatten the church. Flatten it. Window, everything flatten. You understand the building? Because we didn't even know what that there. You see me when they do the revival thing, it flatten. And them are cause the destruction of yard. Them are same thing, yeah. Attack for all of them. Attack for them. Attack, attack, attack. Straight attack. People, big up on yourself. One team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. Tell them I'm waiting. Bishop Campbell, me I wait. Anytime you're ready, me I wait. Send the demon them forward, man. Cause God me say, you know. I Father God me say the real one, not the fake sit the one of the pan. God me say, Jaja. Peace out, my people. Remember, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Snapchat. Follow me on Facebook. NEWLINK Production. One attacking boss. Subscribe. Subscribe. I want to them, man.